back to my channel. It's your girl, Carsey Denise. If this is your very first video, I'm so glad y'all stopped by. I hope that before you leave, you want to hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so that way you be notified whenever your girl drops a video and you become part of the family. If you're a returning family member, what up, cousins? You already know how we do it, okay? So as you guys read from the title, this is another Amazon Prime wig review, and I did get this wig from the LANQI or LANQI store on Amazon. It is a 4x4 Brazilian deep wave in a 10-inch. This unit was with Amazon Prime, so I did get it within 2 days. And she's only gonna run you $41.99. That's right, so it's 40, well, this is technically 8, but you get it, $41.99. So she comes in a bag like this that you zip open. And inside this bag, you're going to get a pair of lashes. You're also going to get your wig cap, and they actually have clips inside their wig cap, which is good because, you know, you might want to clip it. And then you get the hair. Oh, just kidding. You get the band to make it glueless. So right out the pack, this is how the hair is looking. It's more of a wave and not like a kinky curly. You're gonna get this much lace. You're gonna get your standard 2 combs on the side, 1 in the back. And you're also gonna get adjustable straps and then this much lace in the back. So let's go ahead and put her on, style her up, and let's see what Sis working with. right, guys, so I'm done styling this unit, and this is what we got. So let's talk about what I did. So I wanted to change the part from a middle part to a side part. And so I parted it, and then I took a little bit of the Got to Be Freeze spray to spray in the parting area, and then I flat ironed it with my straightening comb. I do feel like it would have been easier if I would have used my blow dryer. I didn't feel like taking the wig off, putting on a mannequin head, doing all that. So I went with doing that method with the Got to Be glue. And then I added the Sephora Micro Smooth powder into my part. I finger combed her, and then I added some of the Garnier Fructis Sleek and Shine, and voila. I also took not a safety pin, a bobby pin. Bobby, what's up, Bobby? I also took a bobby pin to kind of pin back the hair because I wanted to go kind of more so behind my ear. And yeah, this is what we have. So let's talk about the hair. The hair is super soft. It was super easy to part, even with it being a 4x4. It was super easy to part. It was super easy to just add the powder. I didn't pluck or tweeze or do anything to the parting. I literally added the powder. So that's definitely a plus. The hair is super soft. The curls are really nice. I love how they're not super tight, but they're not also like super loose. I guess that's how you would describe it, but the cap fits nice. I didn't have to use the elastic band to make it glueless. Like, it literally laid flat on its own. So that's definitely a plus in my book. And yeah, quick and easy. You know, if you wanted to wear her as a middle part, then obviously you would have just left it. But with me, I wanted to do something different, you know, kind of switch it up for you guys, because y'all probably tired of seeing me in my middle parts, but I like a middle part, okay? But yeah, quick and easy, and like I say, for only $41.99, you guys, you can't go bad. Now, obviously, if you want to get more inches, it's going to run you a little more, okay? If you guys are interested in this unit, I will definitely leave the link down below so that way y'all can get your hands on her. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys on my next video.